can see, I put the T here and the 90 here, like I said, and then the 90 over here. Now I'm going to be soldering all these up. So let's go from here now. Let's see. There's that key there. Okay, that's one of them. Now, the second one. That's the second one. So as you can see, the water was dripping earlier. Now that I soldered this, it's no longer dripping from here, but it is dripping from there, because I still gotta solder that up. Hold on a second. I need a little bit of paste. There's my paste brush. No, I need my paste brush that was there somewhere. Can you find my paste brush now? Without the paste brush, I cannot do this on the floor. That's a major accident right now. Alright. That's no good. He's not a good helper. So that's that now. There's that. Okay.